Want to trade stocks from Europe or Africa but feel locked out by traditional brokers? Ever wished you could trade on the blockchain with the same flexibility and accessibility you get from crypto? Then you're in the right place. Kraken offers a service called xStocks, which is a new way to access traditional US equities right from your crypto wallet. So, what are xStocks? Think of them as a bridge between the old and new financial worlds. xStocks are tokenized versions of real-world stocks from companies like Apple and Tesla. They are backed one-to-one by the actual shares and allow you to trade U.S. equities 24/7 without being restricted by traditional market hours. This is especially beneficial for people in different time zones, like Europe and Africa. To get started, you first need a verified Kraken account. If you don't have one, the process is straightforward. Just head to their website or app, sign up, and complete the necessary identity verification. Once your account is good to go, you need to fund it. You can deposit fiat currency like Euro, or use a stablecoin like USDT or USDC. Once your account is funded, it's time to trade. Navigate to the trading interface and use the search bar to find the specific xstock you want to buy, for example, XAAPL for Apple. You can then choose between a market order to buy immediately at the current price, or a limit order to set a specific price you're willing to pay. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the details, and confirm the trade. It's that simple. You'll now hold a tokenized version of that stock in your Kraken wallet, giving you exposure to its price performance. Keep in mind that while xStocks offer great flexibility, they are not the same as owning the actual stock. You won't have voting rights or dividend entitlements, as these are tokenized representations. Also, be aware of the fees, which may include spreads and payment processing fees, even with subscription services like Kraken Plus. Always do your own research and understand the risks involved. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.